Hi guys, it's time for another mystery box. This one's called Getting Festive, but it's not available yet, unless you're watching this on November 19th. So be on the lookout for November 19th for this mystery box. It may sell out quickly when it is released because there's a brand new cutie in it. Emerald Cutie. So meet Emerald Cutie. There is a link in the description to purchase this box. Click that link, and if this box is there, purchase it. If it's not there, then keep watching for it. So this is a package of everyday iron-on, a sampler package, and it's not on a roll. It's flat. Remember, this mystery box is not available until November 19th. That's Thursday, November 19th, 2020. So these are all iron-on. 2 sheets of gold, maybe 3 sheets. There's 3 sheets of silver. There might be 3 sheets. There's 3 sheets of silver. Yeah, there's 3 sheets of gold. I had 2 stuck together. And it looks like 3 sheets of black, 3 sheets of white. These are the basics. These are great. So you got 3 sheets of each of these. You also get 2 rolls of glitter mesh. Yeah, they look the same, but they're not. This one is a sampler, and it has pink and silver in it along with the red. And this one is just red. These are, I love the new mesh. It's really cool. And these are great for Minnie Mouse too, because she has the polka dots and stuff. But this is so pretty. It's also good for those sports numbers and things to look like a jersey. These are awesome. You don't have to use them for that. We also have Mosaic Iron-On. This is a sampler pack with black, red, and white. It's just the little dots, and then you see the material, or squares, and then you see the material through the squares. And it's really easy to weed. You don't have to weed each square. It has a double sheet to weed on. I do have some videos on how to use this. And then we have some green vinyl. This is permanent premium vinyl and premium vinyl art deco. Look, this is one of my favorite kinds. Do you see the dots? Here, let me show you this way. How cool is that? So cool. I love this stuff. You can use it on cards too. And then we have holographic sparkle in red. So pretty. This would be so pretty on ornaments for Christmas. And then this one is 3D textured vinyl. I don't know if I have this one. So we're going to open it up and look at it because this looks really cool. This is so neat. I don't think I have this one. Oh, wow. Look at that. And in gold and silver. Look at how pretty that is. Gold. That is so pretty. I don't know why I don't have this. It's so pretty. This is a really good box. And you got a cutie. If you don't like the cuties, you can sell the cutie for a minimum of $50 in my Cutie Cricut swap group on Facebook. People buy and sell the cuties. That pays for the whole box. But there's one more thing. A premium glossy roll of, this is the basic sampler. We gotta open it because all I see is this one color. So there's the regular beige color, which is great for skin tones, for like Mickey Mouse and Santa Claus. And then we have black, and there's white, and oh, there's lots. Okay, we gotta open it up. We got brown, which could also be a skin tone. We got silver, we got gold, and black and white. So you get a lot of the basics with this mystery box, and if you're just starting out and you need vinyl, this is a great box. You can also use vinyl on cardstock for cards and things. Even the iron-on you can do on cardstock. This is really an amazing deal. Plus you get a cutie. Like I said, I don't know what time this is going to be released on November 19th. If I see it, I'll let you know. All right, guys. Thanks for shopping through my link. I really appreciate it. I get a small commission when you use my link. In order to purchase this, you do have to have Cricut Access. So I'll put a link to Cricut Access in the description of the video. So you do have Cricut Access in order to buy this box. Any box that has a cutie, you have to have access. If you have premium access, you get 20% off materials. So it's an amazing deal. So I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday Night Live. Bye, guys.